Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the smallest representative code slice that captures the problem. Upload those files into Notebooklm and name the project so context persists. Once done, set the model to high context and supply a concise goal plus any constraints. This guides suggestions. You should also attach the README and a failing test if available, because Notebooklm uses that context to prioritize fixes and generate targeted code snippets rather than generic advice. You now ask Notebooklm for a focus change. Specify exact inputs, outputs, and edge cases so the model returns a concise patch. Then transfer the generated code to a local branch and run your tests and linters. This verifies behavior under real execution. Once you see failures, paste the precise stack trace and failing test lines back into Notebooklm and request a targeted revision. Make incremental commits so you can bisect or revert quickly if a change regresses other behavior. You finish by packaging the validated change into a pull request that documents the before and after behavior, includes new tests, and embeds the prompt used so reviewers can reproduce results. Once the PR is open, have Notebooklm draft the changelog and suggest additional edge case tests. If things go wrong, return with the exact error and a minimal reproducible example. Make sure to isolate the failing code into a tiny file so you and the model can focus on the root cause without unrelated context.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.